Yes, your brother is snoring. He seems to be quite content on the back of the couch. I'm just glad he's okay. We had a big scare because he was howling like his little life was just not going well a couple weeks ago, and we went to the vet a couple of times. Turns out he had an abscess tooth that was really bothering him, but you know, we also found out that he had some locked up anal glands. We thought that was going to be it, got that emptied out, but nope, it was a teeth. And he had his surgery, and I was scared the whole time because he has a heart condition, but he came out of it just fine, and it's wonderful.